Wow. Beautiful day out.
Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. Next week, last week of January, going into February, was my first week back from traveling the past 2 weeks. Felt good to be home. Magali was traveling, so she was off in California while I was back here. Weather was pretty good, a lot of sunshine. Got a lot of little home projects done. One of them was finishing this closet. So got the last little shelves, and now that Magali is back, it's full. So, which is a good thing. One step closer to moving towards moving into this room and finishing things up that way. Didn't do a whole ton as far as recording things. I did go back to, I had my first CrossFit class this week in a long time, so that was a good workout. Able to show some video, so I'll be doing more classes like that when I'm actually back home and not traveling. I changed the water filters on my house so it'd been about 6 months, and they were ready to be replaced, so we'll have an impromptu learning video right about now. New filter, nice and white, brand new out of the package. 6 months old. She's a little spent. We'll clean this out and get it back up and running. Another tip for you, make sure you got extra water around that's clean, that you can clean with when you shut the water supply off to your house. Otherwise, a lot of paper towels will do you. So now we're going to take off the other one. This one is our carbon filter. First one was a sediment filter. Woo. See if I drained most of it out with the first one. Nope, still got some. Trying not to get it all over the bottom of here. But let's see what this carbon filter looks like. First look, same as you and me. Not horrible. So most of it was caught in that first filter. Check your filters. That's all you got to do. Make them 4 to 6 months, something like that. You know, once you start smelling that hard water, especially with well water, change your filters. Have extra filters laying around just in case something bad happens. You're not waiting on Amazon or someone else to ship it to you. So always have your backup. Also didn't realize this was mostly going to turn into a whole house water filter tutorial, but here we are. Another thing to always check when you're changing things up, check your gaskets. This outside gasket, this top seal, make sure they're lubricated. Use a little bit of Vaseline or some kind of lubricant so that you don't twist it or nick it. Make sure you're checking the outside of it. Make sure there's no dry cuts or anything, because the last thing you want when you pressurize your system again is leaks. So a little ounce prevention goes a long way. Another thing we did was just clean up, rearrange around the house. Was able to do some stuff in the garage, work on some little projects. My truck, put a tonneau cover on.
Putting on a little tray. Now I got a nice shiny cover.
Replaced some shocks, did an oil change on the car, just, you know, routine maintenance stuff, just keep things rolling. I had a powerlifting shoot yesterday, and so I had a lot of video from that. There'll be a lot of video coming up, coming down the road, working on photos.
So how do I get ready? Have a photo shoot tomorrow. First thing I do is I charge everything. So battery chargers, more batteries there, chargers, backup camera, audio. I've got my main camera with cards. I'll go through, back up any of these cards, save them, and then I'll format them in the morning as I use them. And then I have all my extra batteries in here to replace when they go low. And then I got my sling to hold everything in there, and then just extra tripod and other things to plug in to it. So those are the main things I bring on, especially the powerlifting shoots. And the lucky thing is they all fit nicely in this Pelican case. Lock it up, and off I go. 5 a.m. and we're off to our shoot. See how today goes. That's most of what today's been, besides packing and getting ready for my next trip, where I'll be in California this whole week. The next week video will be full of travel and all that in between. Cleaning up, video editing, sorting, making videos that you've kind of seen on my Instagram reels, things like that. Just trying to post, share some thoughts and everything in between, do all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I know this is a little bit shorter on me talking. It didn't have a ton super interesting that happened this week, just kind of more of a normal week. So that's what I did. That's what I've been doing. So next week will be a lot more travel. Today was all preparation, going through photos, going through galleries, and just getting things ready to edit. So if you're enjoying these videos, give it a like or comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or what you want to see, what's going on. And I hope to see you in the next one. So I'll see you later. Bye. Today is sorting, editing all of yesterday's shoot, and then backing everything up for my other hard drive for this week's shoot. So travel it is, pack everything up, back everything up, and get ready